I fucking died, buddy. I died.
You press something.
Oh, you push shit. You skipped a cutscene and it kicked me.
I sent an invite.
I know, I've got a loading screen. Give it a chance.
Ah.
I ain't got my skeleton staff anymore. Thanks for that. Press 4.
Oh, you're dead? Yeah.
Well, you know, start dead.
See, I didn't know, see what it fucking said now. Prick. Just, what? Oh.
Move. Move. Oh!
What? What did it say? I didn't see. I was riding with
Emergency. Emergency.
I clicked again, sorry.
Fucking! You don't give us a chance, man.
Sorry, it's fucking it just happens.
Did you kill yourself? You did, didn't you?
I died. Move. I did it again, fuck's sake, man.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know, man. Watch out.
Kaboom.
Oof. It's fucking powerful, man.
You missed one.
Move.
You're just trying to kill me, you can't.
Nah.
No, you have.
No, you're there.
Killed me, you didn't kill them. Good job. I nearly got you. So yeah, if you hold down the right mouse button and you scroll with your wheel, it brings up all the different spells.
You can just scroll. Oh.
I don't know how it works.
Just scroll the mouse button.
Yeah, but it did. But I've got one there.
Yeah.
What's that for?
You need to like press lightning, death, lightning, and then what?
Yeah, exactly.
What? Could you stop?
That's abused the scroll. But the emergency teleport was lightning, death, lightning.
Lightning, death, lightning.
Oh, okay.
Could you try and do it and then hit the beam in the middle? No?
That was a wrong button on my part. Hey! Yeah, I don't know what that lightning, death, lightning is. It's weird.
Fuck that shit. You do death, I do life. Shit works.
Yeah, it's about the only thing we can do. Hey, look, it's one of those fucking UN trees things again. They got those in Valheim. Don't fucking burn it! Good job, you broke it. Can't heal it either. Good job, you burned it.
There's something.
There must be another way. Ah, it's just light. I don't believe you. I'm going this way. See, I was right, you were wrong.
I never said anything.
I wish I was wrong. I wish I was wrong. I wish I was wrong. I don't even know what I did then. What did I do? I don't even know. I made a wall.
clearly didn't kill him.
Was that you?
that's for
I don't even know.
Oh, I died.
Is it them making the walls or is it you? I don't even know.
It's them. Enjoy.
Okay, die. There's more things. Don't go that way. Oh! That hurts me! Why is there an electric one? I don't want to play with that. I'm gonna die. Blech. Zing! Oh! Why is that healing it? Okay,
Don't
want to do that. No.
Hmm.
There's a weakness, but I don't know what it was.
He's immune to.
Okay, he heals them. Death?
No, rocks. Rocks.
Yeah, it's death, weakness.
Is it?
Yeah, it's because I was using electric with it before. He's electric. It makes sense.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
It's for your main shit. Sorry. Ah! It's slowly pushing me back. It was working. Oh. No. Waiting for host. Slacker.
I'm not allowed to press anything, man.
That's what it said on my screen, waiting for host. Kaboom! I'm dead. No, not. They like you more than me.
Prick, man, you good. Bastard.
That made it more fun. No. I'm bored now. I gotta die. I didn't even intentionally kill you then either. But it was funny.
So you say, oh.
Oh, no. Not that one. I don't want to do that one. There's more behind us.
We need to make explosions, man. Oh shit! Good luck! Get fucking wrecked, man.
Ah!
Killed him though. Watch out.
Oh, we've done it again. Kaboom! Yeah. Fumbling through the game.
Just the same spells every time, man.
Till we get a weakness one, we got to work it out.
Yeah. Oops. What the fuck? See him.
Strangers!
Sandly. Did he say juice? I heard juice.
Is that the only Danish word that come out in that? This guy's fucking French, isn't he?
Something. Oh,
Oh, there's the boss! Ah! He fucking... Oh no! Ooh! Ow! Ow! I died.
Died.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Press 4.
You're alive. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No! Now dead. Stupender! Yeah, they're pushing the wrong buttons. No! Kaboom!
I don't know where I went.
I don't know where you went either. I think we're both dead.
I died. Shit. Okay,
No, you're not. You're alive. You're stuck in the corner. I'm dead. The skull thingy babies.
Okay.
I'm pushing the wrong buttons again. No. I don't even know anymore.
S. Press S.
Kaboom! Kaboom! Kaboom!
I fucking suck.
They're gonna die. You know. Oh!
Move. Oh shit!
Too close!
Boom.
Yeah! We did it.
Fuck yeah, man. What's this up here, man?
A cold embrace of death.
Uh-oh.
Another one.
Excited. What? No! See you,
Bye.
bitch. Fire, burn yourself. You're frozen.
Damn what it is. I can't do it. F that one.
You might need water now. I got it.
No, the water me, you fuck!
I
I
just
can't
did
use
it.
my electric one now.
No, yes you can, cause I fucking dried you. Bastard. Come on, beam.
No.
Fuck's sake, man. Didn't know you were a little bitch. Ah! Oh shit.
You I got a shit shot with that, you have.
Fuck you, man.
Whore. Waiting for host.
Can you do anything other than complain?
Summer is fleeting. Who did it? Hoppa.
Mycket lustigt. Det är spatsen gigantorodatoris och trycklyft gör det.
Kaboom!
It's too powerful, that one.
Fuck it is, isn't it? I'm not aiming at you. I'm sorry.
Shit.
That wasn't even intentional, that
I was
one.
fucking healing you, buddy.
I know it was, I know that was completely me. I was trying to kill that guy and you healed me and I made everything go boom.
Oopsie.
Everything goes boom.
Fucking hell, man. I died. Shit. I died again.
Uh-oh. No. I don't want to play anymore. I'm sorry. I died. Ooh. I don't even know anymore.
I died. I died again.
We both died. You timed that perfectly, that guy.
Boom.
I'm dead. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am.
Bucky!
Depender! How did it heal itself?
I died.
Was that you?
I died. Oh wow. best spot ever to fucking...
Don't wanna play anymore! Don't wanna play anymore! Don't wanna play anymore! No, 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 no. Making a boom! Yeah!
Fuck.
Ah!
Prick!
Did I shoot you?
Yeah.
Oh, I pushed 4 as well. I was gonna say, that was gonna be a mistake. How are they still alive? Where's the ball come from? They're immune.
Oh, that's the red ones he was talking about.
Wow,
Fuck,
you were fucking
No,
splats.
no, there's a fucking wizard there, man.
There's a wizard.
Oh yeah, I
You're a
can
wizard, Harry.
I can I can use their beams against them. Fucking hell, they do damage, man. Rest.
I don't even understand how I'm still alive. there was a run button.
I died.
And push it forward, nothing's happening. There we go.
No, not again. Fuck you. Oh.
That cunt's healing himself.
Uh.
I died. I died.
I'm on it.
Leave me alone. I don't want to play anymore. I don't even know why I pushed then.
I'm dead. Dude. Oh, I fucking died again. Got fucking blown off, man. Well, I died. Fuck's sake. Press fall. No.
He's healing himself. This guy's a fucking whore. Yay. Red bus down. Don't push me through my own wall. Ow.
Boom.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck?
I mean, that's that. I don't know, but there's two of those mages now. We struggle with one of them.
There was multiple of these mages, man.
You don't look fun.
Suggest we, no!
Kaboom. I'm dead. I knew I was dead before I fucking landed. Leave me alone. Why me? Ah! This cunt don't like me.
Ooh. Fucking saved by the fucking tree.
Your aim is...
Boom.
Did I miss that cunt?
Nah, he teleports.
How the f... E, D.
Boom. Die. Oh. Alright. I think he's armored, man.
Well, he's pretty fucking beastly.
If
you get hit by him, he does like 2,000, 4,000 damage. We did it. More! For the psychopaths in the bathrooms.
What the fuck?
That's what he said. I'm dead. Press 4. You didn't press 4.
Nah. We have a rest though. Right, beam.
Wrong one.
Oopsie. I can't see him, man.
No, we're going out. This way. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, I'm dead. Whee!
You're fucking wrecked.
Magicka.
Surrender! Oh, what's this? Oh, there's a book. Okay, so we need fire. And we need... Okay. Oh. Ow! Ow! I'm dead.
Good job. You killed yourself.
Nah, didn't kill myself, you cunt.
Fucking did. I watched you do it and you killed me. I'm dead.
Can't see shit, man.
I'm dead.
Could we shit, man. I'm dead. Fire doesn't work on these cunts, it heals them, so...
Oh, no, because considering they're on fire, I'm not fucking surprised, you silly cunt.
I'm dead.
Good job. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Ah, good job. I'm dead.
And you're dead.
I'm dead.
I die.
Fucking hell.
Oh.
Okay, so what's their weakness?
Probably frost. Yeah, it is.
I'm dead.
I know you're dead.
Could you... Did you use fire or what? You fucking gun?
No, because they're fucking immune to fire. I was trying to kill the bastards. Like that.
You're fucking... terrible. Could you rest?
What, you want to res, do you?
Yeah.
Cunt. No. What's this thing do?
Massive bonus to fire, death and steam spells. Greatly weakens cold, ice and life. You take it, man. You don't know how to use life anyway, so...
I don't know how to use anything but...
Death.
Oh, okay, yeah, death. Yeah, no, it says death spells.
Yep. Oh, okay. No. We can talk to him. Stop.
How did they die?
You do that on purpose, you prick. Fucking hell, man.
I didn't even res you. I don't know how I did. Look, we're done. You don't need to do that anymore. Ow! No, you're gonna die.
Oh, fuck yeah. From the verb. Be ready.
We gotta fight both of these now, I wonder.
Okay. I'm dead.
I will res you, but there we go.
So what we do? Death?
I don't even know anymore, I'm slow.
Death.
Bye. I got knocked off the edge.
I'm dead.
Dude.
Oh, I'm okay. Sorry, I didn't realize I was up again. Okay, I'm dead again. Just waiting for the wall to break, man. Oh!
Killed me.
Get fucking wrecked, boy.
I'm dead. You're dead. We're all dead.
We get rest now.
Oh, I'm still on this game. I'm dead.
I'm dead.
There's no reses at the moment. There we go.
I'm dead. See ya. Fucking hell. Oh.
Sorry.
Sorry. Oh shit, sorry.
Yeah, I couldn't get away from that one.
Huh. Do you want his staff again?
I'm not worried.
I died.
You did?
Yeah.
Hope we're good. Oh, there was more.
They don't like death. And
No one
fire.
likes death magic. We've only found. I don't think we found one immune to death magic yet.
No. Shit. Inte slåss nu.
Sorry vi våra dum. Je vanner vara någonting vara borken vid dem.